5-minute advanced breath meditation for Ascension101.com by Inelia Benz. For this meditation, you need to be sitting down comfortably, hands on your thighs, palms facing up, the index and your thumbs touching gently, forming a small O on each hand. Close your eyes. I want you to open your mouth ever so slightly and put the tip of your tongue where the upper teeth meet the gum. Make sure that the top of your tongue does not touch the roof of your mouth. Relax your tongue. We're going to begin by taking 3 deep breaths into our tummies. 1. Breathe in. Expand your tummy. Hold. And breathe out. 2. Breathe in into your tummy. Hold. And breathe out. 3. Breathe in into your tummy. Hold. And breathe out. Next, we're going to start breathing through our nose, and we're going to start feeling the air coming in and out of our nose. If your nose is blocked right now, I'd like you to visualize or imagine feeling the air going in and out of your nose. For this exercise, I want you to imagine that the air is going in through both your nostrils at the same time and out through both nostrils at the same time. Now we start. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now I want you to carry on breathing at your own rhythm, feeling the air as it passes through your nose, at all times visualizing that the air is coming in and out through both nostrils. I'm going to count from 10 to 1, and when I reach 1, you're going to be in a very deep meditative state. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're in a deep meditative state. I want you to keep your attention on the air going in and out of your nose. Every time you breathe in, life force enters your body, and as you breathe out, it expands through your body and outwards. Continue breathing, feeling the air going in and out of your nose. I am now going to count from 1 to 10, and when I reach 10, you're going to be alert, refreshed, and ready to continue with the day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open your eyes. You're feeling energized, clear, and ready to continue with the day.